Trice, and I help you shift your vibration. So if you're having performance anxiety, this is the video for you. We're going to take that anxiety, we're going to let it go, because all your dreams are downstream. Check in with how you feel. I feel like I'm freaking out of my mind. I feel. So let your hands go, and we're going to start off with just a few big breaths. Let the anxiety be there. It's not a big deal. Just breathe deep in and let everything go. Now, run in place. You gotta get out of your head. Performance anxiety is meaning we're trying to do it perfect. We have a high expectation for ourselves. We feel like the world's just gonna fall on its face if we don't do good. So just let that go. Run in place and go super fast, super fast. Don't let it hold on. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Push it out. Just let it go. Burn it off. Burn off those expectations. Burn off those expectations. Now, my pants are falling down. Let's do jumping jacks. Okay. Yeah, focus on the movement. Focus on the movement. You can do them standing in place, just swaying your arms back and forth. It's all to get your body moving and letting go of being perfect. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go of being perfect. Now shake it out. Get it all out. Shake your leg. Get it all out through your leg. Now, if your body's telling you to move somewhere, move it. We're going to start settling down. If you can kick off your shoes, do it. Now ground down. You can do a baby tree or a big tree. They're both equal in awesomeness. Puff out your chest, pull up through your abdomen, and breathe into your heart. Let go. Let go of all your expectations. And move to the other side. So letting go does not mean not getting what you want. Everything that you want in life, my friend, is downstream. Breathe in, push the foot into the leg and vice versa, and zip the energy up. Breathe deep into that heart. See that light blooming in your heart. You are a light spirit. Breathe in, let it out. Breathe in, let it out. You're safe. Ground through your feet. Pull up through your legs. Bow your head. And we're going to focus on setting our intention. If you're giving a speech or something like that and your intention was like, it has to be great and it has to be good, maybe your intention, make it teeny, make it little, like just to get through the speech. Just to show up, just to stand there and open your mouth. No matter what your goal is, whatever, set your intention for the smallest thing and focus on that. All the rest will flow. From that, everything else can grow. Be kind to yourself. You're worth it. You're worth it. You cannot fail. Everything that you want in life is downstream. Let go. Feel the flow. Breathe in one last time and let go. Now check in with how you feel. Notice the shift. You got this. You got this, you rock star. I'll see you soon. Earthling. Namaste.